I've seen the video. He was arrested in the premises of GSIS. He was arrested without a warrant, without anything that he's doing, na pagsuspetsa lang siya. I've seen the video. I've seen the CCTV footages.
So within the boundary ba yun ng GSIS?
Within the GSIS premises, sa tapat ng kantin sa second floor ng GSIS.
Now, do you see any malice na ginawa ng majority senators? Kasi sunod-sunod yung bintang sa'yo.
Mahirap yung mahalis kasi suspetsa yan I don't want to base my action on malice or assumptions or emotions. Kailangan sa facts tayo nagbabase at saka sa batas Kasi yan na nga yung nangyari Papakinggan nyo, balikan nyo lahat ng interview ni Sergeant at Arms. Yung pagkilos niya, all based on assumptions. Sa paghihinala. In street term, sa pagkapraning, lulusubin na kami. Nagbabarena na. Only to find out, yung pagbabarena pala is to secure yung door para hindi makapasok from Senate passing through the GSIS. Doon po lang. So mahirap pong magbase based doon sa suspetsa. Yung tamang hinala, mahirap po yun. So, ang NBI, we base our action on facts, on the events na nangyari talaga, by procedure and by law po.